Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 10 assignment of the course Data Analytics with Python. So we tried our best to give you the most probable solutions guys. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and watch the full video guys. Don't skip the video and watch full video, and please like this video and please share that with your friends and classmates. So for the past 5 years, we have been giving solutions for various NPTEL courses, guys. So let's see the first question now. Sampling distribution for a goodness of fit test is the what? Is what type of distribution? So for first question, the answer is fourth option, chi-square distribution. Chi-square distribution, that is fourth option, guys. Fourth one. Next, second question. Goodness of fit test is always conducted as what test? So it is all goodness of fit test is always conducted as a upper tail test. Upper tail test. Next, third one. Third question. State true or false. So what is the statement? Null hypothesis for chi-square test of independence assumes that all the proportions are equal. All the proportions are equal. So it is absolutely false statement. So mark third for third question false as the correct option. The probable solution for third question. Next, fourth one. Statistical test conducted to determine whether to reject or not reject a hypothesized probability distribution for a population is known as what? So for fourth question, it is third option, goodness of the fit test. Goodness of the fit test. So next, fifth question, guys. So before getting into this fifth question, I want to make a small announcement that is regarding the exam preparation MCQs, guys. Exam preparation MCQs for the course Data Analytics with Python. So we have collected the previous year's questions with 5 years of NPTEL experience, guys. So here you will get a huge number of 120 MCQs. 120 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link, guys. 120 MCQs. So for one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees, guys. If 5 members of your classmates or students form a group, you can take it for 500 rupees only. You can share the price among yourself. As a group, for one group it will be 500 rupees. And if you are only one person, no need to worry, you can get it for 250 rupees only. One person access is 250 rupees, 2 to 5 persons access combinedly to 500 rupees, guys. So if you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. This is my mail ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So already many students have taken our pack, guys. Various PDF packs, many people have taken and got benefited last time also. So for this season also already taken our PDFs and started preparing from now itself. So take this package, bk179417@gmail.com. I will give the same email ID in the description box as well. So 120 MCQs for one person 250 rupees, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees, guys. So for the course Data Analytics with Python exam preparation MCQs, these are the previous year's questions from completely NPTEL syllabus, guys. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected this. So only mail me, guys. Remember that only mail me if you want confirm purchase. You want to confirmly purchase that. If for any other doubts, you can ask me in the YouTube comment section itself. So already many students have started taking our pack and already started preparing, guys. So take it now itself and save the time for your revision at the back end. So now let's get back to the solutions. Fifth question. What is the minimum number of variables or features required to perform clustering? So for fifth question, it is second option, one. Minimum one variable required for performing clustering, right? Next, sixth question, guys. Sixth one, which of the following method is used for finding optimal clusters in k-mean algorithm? So for sixth question, it is first option, elbow method. Elbow method. Next, seventh one, movie class recommendation systems are an example of what? So these are the examples of clustering, guys. Clustering. So first option, two only, is the probable solution for seventh question. Next, eighth one. How can clustering, means unsupervised learning, can be used to improve the accuracy of the linear regression model supervised learning? That means, so for eighth question, it will be second option, guys. That means both first statement creating different models for different cluster groups, and second one creating an input feature for cluster IDs as an ordinal variable. So second option 1 and 2 are the correct statements for this option. B is the probable option for the correct solution for the eighth question, guys. Next, ninth one. Let x equals 1 comma 2 and x2 equals 3 comma 5 be the coordinates of for two objects. The Euclidean and Manhattan distance between these two objects is what? So for ninth question, I have got the answer as third option, guys. 3.61 is the Euclidean distance and 5 is the Manhattan distance. Next, 10th question. Before getting into this 10th question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So we are providing the exam preparation MCQs for the course Data Analytics with Python. Here you will get a huge number of 120 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link. So for one person, it is 250 rupees. If you take it as a group of 2 to 5 persons, it is combinedly 500 rupees, guys. This is the mail ID to message me. Remember, only if you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. So already many students have started taking our pack and already started preparing, guys. So take it now itself. So now let's get back to the last solution, question and solution. So 10th one, state true or false. So discriminant analysis, this discriminant analysis does not require the grouping variable to be known at the beginning. So for 10th final question, it is absolutely false, guys. So friends, these are the probable solutions for week 10 assignment of data analytics with Python course. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and please share that with your friends and classmates, guys. And don't forget to take this 120 MCQs PDF pack. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.